Hello students, good to see you. We're doing a quick overview of Lesson 9. And here we are, we're talking about circles, the coordinate plane, and a little bit about functions. So without any further delay, maybe just go through the list here. Okay, so as you can see here, we're on the Lesson 9 task list here. And I'm going to point out some things. Here we have the advanced organizer with all your tasks. Remember, this time I think you have 3 readings on that. Your assignments, again, the 3 readings, and then you have your assignment work to do. Now there's a sort of a subtopic or sub-subject in this particular Lesson 9, and we're talking about the XY Cartesian coordinate system. A very important way to keep things straight when we're talking about things in two-dimensional space, especially when we start putting values for functions and using the input or x and y, and we're going to be expressing them in a graphical way on a coordinate plane, and so we can visualize what's happening with the function. A brief overview. There you have the distance formula. Yes, you need to know the distance formula. I wouldn't right now worry about memorizing a bunch of formulas, but know how to use the distance formula. Great Khan Academy on that. I really do like that guy. And then the midpoint formula. Again, if you'll watch that video, you'll see what I'm talking about. Math is not about memorizing formulas. It's about understanding things and knowing what it is about and what's going on, what the concepts are, and how to apply it. And then here's some business about circles. Okay, so here's the lesson about circles. Here's a Khan Academy, really another good video he put out there. And then here's your Lesson 9 discussion. Now on the Lesson 9 discussion, I'm giving you a little advice here on what to write. You could write more than that if you want to, but I am going to be looking for those 4 things for your 100 points, so please keep that in mind. Now, by this time, you should be doing your discussion points fairly closely to where Lesson 9 is supposed to be in the calendar. After we get through this test 2 and the midterm, I do want you to be a little bit cleaner about when you post those discussion points, okay? So I'm just not going to worry about that right now. Now, this concept overview, I would look at that video because I'm trying to put all the ideas together in a short video presentation. Here's one just about circles. And if you look at the Khan Academy videos and these, I do think you'll get a good gist of what it's about. However, just seeing the math done doesn't mean that you know the math. That means that you know about the math. The only way for you to really know the math is to do the problems. Now someone's going to say, do I have to do every problem? Sometimes when people say that, they're really, I don't think they're being totally genuine. Do the odd problems. Do enough problems. And then here's the last video on what is a function. I really would like you to look at it. It is very short, and it'll help you get a good understanding of it. And then, of course, you have your quiz. So keep that in mind. So Lesson 9, this is on your midterm, but not on your test 2. I do hope you enjoy it, that you get something out of it, and post something on your discussion. And best wishes to you good people. Thanks.